There's Cookie's Corner. I just thought I'd show you what it looks like in New Milton at Christmas time, at night time. Parky's not going to be awake. I just thought I'd film it. Beautiful, isn't it? Let's go this way. So I'm not going to see any pigeons right now. I just thought I'd film it. Now this shop's closed now. And it's a new shop. It's only just opened a few weeks back. So we're not going to see any pigeons, unfortunately. Let's go this way. Look at that. It's all, if I zoom in there, let's put my camera down there for a minute. There's going to be cars going past, but there I'm going to park in there, look. It's all lit up. Conservative club, you know. Where all the posh people go to drink. There are not going to be any pigeons, unfortunately. Not at night time. They all go to sleep. As soon as it gets dark, they go to sleep. Now this shop's closed. I go in there sometimes to see if there's anything worth buying. You've got this shop here. No parky, I'm afraid. Let's sit here for a minute. Snowflake. And it goes all the way down the high street here, you know, it's quite pretty. Quite lit up. They do make some effort here. And then you've got the lovely Christmas tree here. Like that. No pigeons here, unfortunately, they're all gone asleep. There's not one pigeon there. So if I put the camera there on this for a minute, I'm going to go into the camera and wish everyone a happy Christmas. Happy Christmas, everyone. And happy New Year. Love all birds. So there you go. That shop's still open. Very Christmassy, isn't it? I think Parky sometimes sits on the top of it. King Parky. But there you go, I'll just go into this shop and then I'll stop because I'll film them tomorrow and join this film on. Lovely dress, isn't it? I like that. Very Christmassy. And necklace looks nice. I like the butterflies on the Christmas tree. Okay. So anyway, I'll try to see if I can see Parky and Mark because I didn't see him today. So tomorrow morning, look at that. What's that? Like a hippo on a motorbike. And there's a little cat down there. So, and a penguin, squirrel. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.